How to install Classpoint. Step 1. Open your browser. Type www.classpoint.io. Step 2. Click Download button. Fill in the information needed, like name, email, and the organization. Then click Download now. After you have it downloaded on your Windows device, you can begin the installation by double-clicking the Classpoint installer file. This title box will appear. Just check the I accept and click the install. This should just take a few seconds to complete. After the installation is complete, you can open up your PowerPoint application and view the Classpoint ribbon at the top of the screen. You are almost ready to begin using Classpoint. The last step is to create your account. This can be done by clicking the Sign In button on the Classpoint ribbon. This is quick and easy. Fill in your details, and you're all set. Just type your name, last name, your organization, sector and country. Then click Next. Also put your work email and create your password, then click Next. You will receive a 6-digit verification code in your registered email. Just copy and pasted the code in the text box. Then click Next. Once you sign into your Classpoint account for the first time, you will receive welcome email with Get Started video tutorials. Be sure to check your spam folder in case you don't see any email in your inbox.
Well done. Keep practicing. Happy learning. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.